y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sam, and today I'm up in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen and I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Okay. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my acai bowls. I do air quotes because they don't always turn out exactly like an acai bowl. It's more like a smoothie with this fruit sinking into the bowl. So hopefully this time it comes out better. But I just want to show you guys something a little different on my channel. Hop back in the kitchen with it real quick. Do something light, something slight. Yeah. So if you guys like this video or like me being in the kitchen, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite combination for acai bowls. I'm willing to, try some new stuff. So let me know what you guys like or what your favorite breakfast is. If you don't like acai bowls, yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We getting real close to 1,800. I ain't gonna flex or front. I usually make this, make breakfast or something, after the gym. I don't look nothing like this, okay? No makeup on, hair a mess, outfit all drenched in sweat. But today I didn't go to the gym and I just, got cute and put on some gym clothes so I could show you guys what's good. But yeah, typically this is not the look, okay? So just know that this is all for y'all, all right? But let's go ahead and get into this video. So I have a NutriBullet. I don't know if y'all are up on game, but this is the one, okay? I absolutely love it. It blends up everything so easily. It comes with a few of these style cups, or I don't know what else you would call them, containers, and it has the blade and it attaches to that. Put it on there, blend it all up, simple, easy. I am using quite a few ingredients to go in my smoothie today. But I like to start off with putting ice in because I like it to be extra cold, more frozen than soupy, Okay, so about this much ice, 4 ice cubes to be exact. Then I'm gonna go in with some mango chunks. I actually already have these opened. I just get the Simple Truth organic brand because it's cheap at Ralph's, to be real. I actually already have one that's open, so I'm gonna use this first. It's actually, that's okay, because I'm gonna put a lot of different fruits. So there's the mango chunks in it. I got some pineapple chunks as well, same brand. I'm gonna put about the same amount of that in there. So now I have the pineapple. Then I'm gonna add some strawberries inside. I'm gonna do 4.5 strawberries, a baby strawberry. Then I recently picked up this Pitaya Plus. It's I don't know, I guess you can make your own smoothie with it. It says to add this with some other fruit and juice and all that jazz. I don't do juice in my smoothies because it's already enough sugar with just the fruit and all the stuff that I add to it. So I'm just gonna use a couple of the chunks of dragon fruit. My best friend Maya loves Pitaya. Maya and Pitaya. So I'm excited to try this to see what it's working with. I also got this from Ralph's as well, and I believe it was $3 or $4 for this bag. Ooh. Of course I knocked it over. So this is what the dragon fruit looks like. Can you guys see? It's in a bunch of different chunks. I'm just gonna use this much. Boom. Oh, I'm excited. This looks fun. Something spicy, fancy. If I had protein powder, I would add some to it. You know what? I might put a little collagen in here just to give it some protein. This is the collagen I use. It's the Vital Proteins collagen peptides. I'm just gonna use 1 scoop of this in there. This does have 18 grams of protein per serving. The serving size is 2 scoops. I'm only using 1, so I'm only gonna get 9 grams of protein from it, but that's fine. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, not too much because I don't want it to be soupy. So just about that much, up to there, if you guys can see. Now I'm gonna put the cap on it. Oh, I forgot something very important. I use half of a banana as well, and I use the other half to top the bowl. So, tripping. I don't like smoothies without banana, to be honest. Unless you like add yogurt or sugar or something. I don't know. I feel like the banana really adds some goodness to it. Put the banana in there. And now we can blend her up. So, put it on the NutriBullet, push it down. Okay, I feel like it's still a little too chunky, so I'm gonna give it another little spin. Not the whole spin, but just a little bit longer. Okay, that should be good. And it's nice and thick. You see how it's not even like releasing to the bottom? Yeah, it's still pretty thick, which is what I want. So I'm just gonna take a glass bowl that I have here, plop that into there, kind of sit in there, you see. This is a big bowl, by the way, so it's making a lot. You don't necessarily need all of this, you could share it. I always like to rinse off my blender like right after because it's the easiest to get all the stuff off of it. If you wait until later, it's all dried and it takes more elbow grease to get clean. I don't know if y'all can hear me or see me. I'm gonna go in with a spoon and just kind of flatten it out to make it look cuter. Mmm, tastes good. So here's what it's looking like. Hopefully you guys can see. Now I'm gonna go in with some fruit. I have some blackberries, I have some blueberries, I have half of the banana that we didn't use. And then I'm gonna top it with some coconut flakes. I just got these from Ralph's. They're Bob's Red Mill. It doesn't really matter what brand you use, whatever flakes work best for you. And then I got some chia seeds or chai seeds. I don't really know how to say it. Yeah, and then I have some almond butter as well. So, first I'm gonna go in with the banana. I find it easy to just use the spoon and like kind of cut the banana like so. Okay. And now I have all these slices. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna put that in the bowl. Actually, I'm gonna wait until I put the other fruits. And then I'm gonna wash off the blueberries and blackberries. So first I'm gonna go in with a few blackberries and plop it in. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me put it back here. Move this out the way. I put like 10 blackberries. And then on the other side, I'm gonna put the blueberries. You guys, it's not sinking to the bottom like it usually does on me. I'm so happy. I think the pitaya really helped. Then I'm gonna put the bananas in the middle. Ah, they're all slimy. Then I'm gonna go in with the coconut. Actually, I'm gonna top it with the chia seeds first. I'm taking like half a scoop and just sprinkling it on there. Not even a full half. That's too much. Then I'm gonna go in with a scoop of the coconut. Pour that up on there. Boom. And then my favorite part is the almond butter. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna grab a scoop of the almond butter, like that much, and put it right in the middle. And then that's that, y'all. There is the bowl. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, let me take a little picture of it real quick and then we'll enjoy it and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, this is it. Let's see, moment of truth. Let's try it out. Let me actually put this away first. I hate when there's just like dirt stuff everywhere. All right, now is the moment of truth. Is it still recording? Okay, we go. We good. I'm gonna try to get like a little bit of everything in the first bite. Ah! It's already getting soupy. Okay. It's pretty fire, y'all. I wish I had some granola to add more crunch, but it's pretty good. All right, y'all. So like I said, typically I would eat this right after the gym, but it's late in the morning now and I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna end the video here, finish my bowl, change my clothes, and head out to that 9 to 5. But if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next, or what you like to put in your stuff, or just say what's good, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn your post notification bell on, because I feel like I'll be asleep on the video uploads. Like, hello, where you at? Can you hear me now? Like, good. Good. I'm just kidding. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. I don't know why I'm in such a weird mood. Bye.